beautiful day, learners. I am your MAPI teacher for grade 10, Mrs. Mona Lisa J. Ulabre, airing from Pelection TV of Francisco P. Felix Memorial National High School. Today, I will share a topic that is certainly of interest to you and your aspiration in life. But, before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Before we start the lesson, the most essential learning competencies, number 1, discusses the components step in making a personal health career plan. Number 2, prepare a personal health career following the prescribed components and step. For today's objective, number 1, define health career. Number 2, identify the component step in health career planning. And number 3, make a personal health career plan. To start up our lesson, let me show this initial activity of which I know that you are familiar already. For our activity 1, we will do the concept mapping. So the direction is think of any word or group of words related to the word inside the circle. From the word health career, what word you can give? Wellness, very good. Medicine, yes, you are correct. Doctors, alright. Physical health, oh, what a good answer. Check up, okay. Diet, so you are right. Aside from the 6 answer that you have given, we have plenty of words that we can connect to health career like nurse, hospital, clinic, diseases, health center, and health worker. Now, using the word you gave, can you come up with your own meaning of health career? Health career is a combination of two words, health and career. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Career is an occupation or profession that requires special training. If we combine these two important words, this is what you call health career. The meaning of health career, if you will say health career, designed to familiarize students with the various careers in the medical profession and allied health services. Now, I'm asking all of you, do you want to pursue a health career? If your answer is yes, these are the different things to understand pursuing a health career, and that is health career planning. Health career planning refers to an individual's plan to make a career choice, growing in the chosen career, or making a career shift. Why choose a health career? People choose a health career because you make difference in people's life. Aside from that, we have some main reason. 1, good salary. 2, job security. Next is do work that interests you. Find a health career that fits your educational plan. A clear path to advancement. And work with people. Alright, understand? Now, what are the steps and components in making a health career plan? So, the first component is self-assessment. Self-assessment, discover your personal strength through self-assessment, values, interests, personality testing, and skills. In self-assessment, it answers the question, what are my skills and interests? So, do you know your skill? What is something that you like for yourself? So, these are the part of self-assessment. So, number 2 is career exploration. If you say career exploration, you can explore different career and work environments through career fairs, online research meeting, internship, alumni connection, professional resources. In career exploration, it answers the question, what health careers do I want to explore? What will I do to explore the different health careers? So you can do this by asking some professionals as your resources or make an online research. Now, after that, this is the time to decide yourself, and that is decision making. It is important that you can evaluate and narrow down your option through listing the pros and cons, comparing your personal strength and interests, and deciding which career fulfills both current and future goals. In decision making, it answers the question, what health career will I choose based on my skills and interests? What do I need to consider? By means of this, you can decide a career that you can use or make use your strength and interest. For the last step, that is plan of action. Plan achievable goals and develop strategies to reach your goals. Organize your goals into smaller steps. Identify action for each step. Utilize helpful people and resources. Review and adapt your plan regularly. So in plan of action, it answers the question, what will I do to meet my goals? So this is the time to plan carefully your action or by doing step by step to realize your goals and dream. Do you have any question? If none, let's proceed to the next activity. So for your second learning task, I would like you to create your own personal health career plan. So the title is My Health Career Plan. So the direction is write your own health career plan using the components and steps. Now, I will show you a format of making your health career plan. So the title is My Health Career Plan. Under that, we have a career goals. So the steps are self-assessment, career exploration, decision making, and plan of action. For rubric rating scale, the criteria are content, relevance, connection, and continuity. In 15 points, the content, all the answers are comprehensive and direct. 10 points, some of the answers are comprehensive and direct. 5 points, the answers are vague and indirect. In relevance, 15 points, all the answers given are related to health career. 10 points, some of the answers given are not related to health career. 5 points, the answers given are not related to health career. Connection and continuity, 15 points, all the answers in step 1 to step 4 are connected to each other. 10 points, the answer from step 1 to step 4 are slightly connected to each other. And 5 points, the answer of step 1 to step 4 are not connected to each other. Now, do you have a question about the criteria? If none, you may start doing your health career plan. Did you understand the lesson? Did you enjoy the task? Is everything clear now? Very good. All of you answered yes. Now, you are able to finish your work about health career plan. For your activity number 3, you will prepare 1/2 sheet of paper and number it from 1 to 5. So, we have a short quiz. So, in your paper, the direction is read each item carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answers. Number 1, what step of health career planning answers what are my skills and interests? A. Career exploration. B. Self-assessment. C. Decision making. And letter D. Plan of action. The answer is letter B. Self-assessment. Number 2, it involves planning achievable goals and develop strategies to reach your goals. Organize your goals into smaller steps. A. Self-assessment. B. Career exploration. C. Decision making. D. Plan of action. The answer is letter D. Plan of action. 3. Refers to an individual's plan to make a career choice, growing in the chosen career, or making a career shift. A. Health. B. Health career. C. Health career planning. And letter D. health career pathways. So the answer is health career planning. So the next number, alright, number 4, it is designed to familiarize student with the various careers in the medical profession and allied health services. So A, health, B, health career, C, health career planning, and D, health career pathways. So the answer is letter B, health career. And last number, it involves exploring different career and work environments through career fairs, online research, meeting, internship, alumni connection, professional resources. So the option are A, self-assessment, B, career exploration, C, decision making, and D, plan of action. So the answer is letter B. Now, you can count the number of correct. Now, in your papers, if you got 5, so it means to say congratulations to all of you who got 5. 4, it's still good rating. 3, it is fair. 2 and below, so you miss some parts of the lesson. So next time, you should be focused to our lesson. But I know all of you have given your best, so all of you are all very good. Since everyone understand and enjoy the lesson, this is the question that I want you to reflect. So, how will you relate the concept of health career in the times of pandemic? So, to answer that, you can look around, think of the experiences to the past years, think the situation that happened to your place, to your family, to your friends, or your relatives. So, one of the answer, frontliner that help battle COVID-19 are mainly from the health field. Without them, this pandemic will be uncontrollable. That is how health career is relevant to our situation in the present. Now, that everyone have already reflected our lesson for today, let me ask you again, what is health career? Health career designed to familiarize students with the various careers in the medical profession and allied health services. What are the 4 components in planning a health career? 1 is self-assessment, 2 career exploration, 3 decision making, and 4 plan of action. So, that is our lesson for today. I hope that you enjoyed and can apply this lesson once you decide sa course to take in college. Thank you for listening. This is Ma'am Mona signing off.